What's up, traders? My name is Layla and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. This week brought a whirlwind of market-moving developments that kept investors on edge. U.S. stocks pulled back slightly from record highs as the Federal Reserve kicked off its September policy meeting, ultimately delivering a quarter-point interest rate cut, the first reduction since December. The move came amid pressure from President Trump, signs of a cooling labor market, and ongoing scrutiny of Fed independence. Trump even petitioned the Supreme Court for the power to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook, adding political tension to this week's monetary headlines. On the corporate side, Tesla stole the spotlight. Shares surged as much as 8% after Elon Musk made his first major insider stock purchase since 2020, roughly $1 billion worth. The move erased Tesla's year-to-date losses and put the company back in positive territory for 2025, underscoring Musk's commitment to his firm. Oracle also climbed more than 3% on reports it could play a central role in a potential TikTok deal to keep the platform operating in the US. Meanwhile, Alphabet reached a historic milestone, becoming the fourth publicly traded company to hit a $3 trillion market cap. In healthcare, Hims & Hers dropped after the FDA posted a warning letter about misleading claims for its semaglutide products. All the while, Novo Nordisk gained more than 2% on positive late-stage trial results and plans to seek US approval for a high-dose version of Wegovy. Semiconductors and AI were especially active this week. Intel soared nearly 25% after NVIDIA invested $5 billion to cement a strategic partnership on AI data center and PC products. NVIDIA itself rebounded from midweek pressure over China advising companies to avoid its chips. Other tech leaders, including Microsoft, Palantir, AppLovin, and Marvell, advanced, while AMD slid on concerns tied to the NVIDIA-Intel alliance. Microsoft also announced over $30 billion in new UK AI investments, and Meta unveiled its $799 Ray-Ban display AI glasses. Investor enthusiasm even extended to IPOs this week. StubHub made its New York Stock Exchange debut, rising about 8% for a $9.3 billion valuation. Klarna also gained early momentum after its successful listing. Other corporate moves included Goldman Sachs upgrading Hershey to buy, RBC upgrading Nike, and mixed earnings from Darden Restaurants, Cracker Barrel, and Warner Bros. Discovery. In the media, Disney's ABC network unexpectedly pulled Jimmy Kimmel Live off the air indefinitely following backlash over comments related to the killing of Charlie Kirk. Commodities and crypto also added to the fuel. Gold broke above $3,700 an ounce for the first time, oil rallied on renewed Ukrainian strikes on Russian refineries, Bitcoin climbed past $117,000, and Ethereum cleared $4,600. Looking ahead, opportunities remain abundant, but markets are reminding us that discipline and flexibility are more important than ever. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.